Moodle has a lot of activities that are completed and graded within the LMS, like forums, assignments, or quizzes. But some activities that may be in your course exist outside of the Moodle platform. These external activities could include Zoom for virtual meetings, YouTube for video creation, Google Suite, or podcasts. You may also encounter activities from textbook publishers that require access codes. Let's see how to identify which activities are graded, how the activity is accessed, and how the activity should be completed. First, there are a few ways to determine if an external activity is graded or if it's just practice. Hopefully, the instructor identified if it is for practice or if it is graded, either through the item's description, an objectives and task list, or by organizing the activity under an assignments heading. Another way to determine if an external activity is graded is to look at the gradebook to see if the item exists there. If you are still not sure if an activity is a graded assignment or a practice exercise, it is best to contact the instructor for clarification. Once you have separated the graded activities from the practice ones, please note that there may be additional steps to complete before you begin working on the activity. For example, publisher content will likely require you to enter the access code that came with the textbook. Also, some educational tools like Google, YouTube, or Edpuzzle will require an account. Fortunately, you can sign in with your mid-Google credentials to most of these sites. If you need further help with accessing an external activity, the help desk is available to assist.